Hi, 3E students. Here's your next assignment. It's called Comparing Financial Services. So it's going to take you to a whole bunch of different bank and other websites, and you're going to answer questions about bank accounts and some services and credit cards and things like that at the banks. So you just have to, for each section, it tells you what website to go to, and then there's a nice little bulleted list that tells you what to do on each site. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first link that will take us to the Bank of Montreal's website. And I'll try to see both at the same time. Here we go. So it says go to this website. So here we are. And then it says click on bank accounts. I don't know if it'll let me show it all at once or not. No, it won't. Bank accounts and then savings accounts and then the blue savings builder link. So let me make this bigger again since it's not. There we go. Okay. So here's the main thing. And then you click on bank accounts and then you click on savings accounts. And then once this site loads, it says move the page down. Oops, right here. Move the page down and click on the blue savings builder link. So you scroll down a little and I think they may have changed their website. Oh, sorry, I just missed it. Here it is, Savings Builder. So it's blue and it says Savings Builder. And then it's going to show you this. Oops, where's my... Okay. And then you're going to see 3 different bank accounts and you're going to compare the interest rate, the monthly savings requirement, and all of that stuff. Now, I also posted on our Google Classroom. Last week, I posted this, which is a dictionary of financial words. I'm going to move it up a little bit. So it's for a lot of the words that you'll see in this assignment and in related assignments. So if you're not sure what anything means, you can always Google the answer, but this is one that explains it in, I think, fairly easy to understand terms, and it's relevant to what we're doing in this course. So there's a whole bunch of information here. So if you're not sure what, say, an interest rate is, then you can open this up and see the definition for interest rate right here. Okay, so back to the assignment. So you click there, you click on the links, and then, whoops, I closed it. Let's try this again. And then you're going to compare 3 different bank accounts. So one's called the Smart Saver, one is the Premium Rate Saver, and one is the Savings Builder. So bank accounts. And then savings accounts. And then here are some of the accounts here. So there's a Smart Saver, a Premium Rate Saver, and a Savings Builder. So there's the Smart Saver, Premium Rate Savings, and Savings Builder. So you're going to click on each one. Actually, it kind of looks like it's already loaded up nicely here. So the interest rate and number of transactions and all of that stuff. So you're going to take this information, read it over, and put the answers in this table. The next part's very similar. So you go to td.com. So you click on this link. And then it says click on products. So you click on here. And then it says bank accounts and then savings. So products, bank accounts. And then you'll have to scroll down a little. And then there's a little pig here, a little piggy bank that says savings. So you click on that. And then click on the check boxes to compare these 3 accounts below. So there's an everyday savings account, a high interest savings account, and an e-premium savings account. And you'll be able to, whoops, did not mean to do that. You will be able to scroll down and then click on all of these for these 3 accounts, the everyday savings, the high interest, and the e-premium. So these are the ones we want. And then once you've clicked all of them, they'll show up like this, and you can hit compare now. So then it's going to show you these 3 accounts and all the information that you need for this table over here. So some of it is a little hard to find, like the interest rate. So I went ahead and put that in there for you already instead of making you find it on the website, it's not so easy to find. But all the other stuff you should be able to find. And then the same kind of process follows for each of the other websites. So here's RBC Royal Bank. I'll turn this into bullet points. I forgot to change this one. Then click on accounts. And then scroll down and click on checking. So scrolling down, and I want a checking account. And then some of this will be here. So there'll be some of the accounts you'll need. Like here's an RBC day-to-day banking account here over on the right side. So you can click on this and learn more, or some of the information is already there. So there's the day-to-day banking. So you can fill out the first table. And then you'll have to hit back. And then you want the no limit banking. So there's a no limit banking. There's a signature no limit banking, and there's a no limit banking. So just go for the one that says no limit banking, this one here, and answer the questions, fill in the table. And then there's the signature no limit banking. And then once you're done those three, you're going to have to go back again. So where we clicked on checking, instead of clicking on that, you're going to click on student. And then there are some student accounts here, and you're going to compare the student banking and the no limit banking. So the first two here, there's some of the information, and you can click on them to learn more. Then at this point, here's a question that doesn't have a table. So you're going to tell me what the difference based on what you've learned in the first few parts. You're going to tell me what the difference between a savings account and a checking account is. And then we're going to look at some other investments. So things that are not bank accounts. What else can you do? So click on the link, follow it through. So CIBC. And then you're going to click on investments and then click on GICs. So click on investments at the top. And let that load. And then down here, you scroll down a little bit, and there's some information about GICs. So here it tells you what a GIC is, and then you're able to click Learn More to answer some of the other questions. And then once you learn what these things mean, then you can answer these questions, and you'll be able to answer this question about which type of GIC is best. Then part 4 of this assignment, you go to the website again, you click on the link, and you follow it through, very similar to the other ones. So we're going to click on TD again, and then it says click on products and click on credit cards. So here's products, and then credit cards. And then it asks what types of credit cards, and I gave you a hint. There are 8, and they all have pictures inside circles. So I'm not going to give it away, but as I scroll down, you may see what I'm talking about here. So you have to figure out what the 8 different types of credit cards are that TD has. And then find each of the types. So say the cashback Visa, you can probably find it in this website somewhere. You definitely can. And then answer the questions about that, the Aeroplan Visa Infinite, and the Rewards Visa. So now you've learned about lots of different things. So we have up here, we have savings accounts, we have checking accounts, we have GICs, we have credit cards, and then part 5 is about loyalty cards. So some stores give you a card, and then you can earn points, or you can earn money when you shop at their store. So I picked a few that are pretty common around here, especially in Ottawa, and you're going to learn more about these cards. So each of them I've given you a website. So Canadian Tire has Triangle Rewards, or it's sometimes called Canadian Tire Money. So then you're going to click on this and go to this website, and then it's going to ask you 2 questions. List some stores where you can earn rewards, and when you have enough, how can you redeem them? So how can you use them to get stuff? So the information's all here. And then same thing goes for PC Optimum points and for Air Miles. Then once you have all of this done, you can go ahead and submit this assignment on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, take a look through this video again, especially if you get stuck and you're not sure where to click. The video will be helpful for that. And if you have any other questions, let me know.